everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is government securities, G-Secs. So first of all, we are going to discuss about that why this particular topic is in news. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, recently announced an open market purchase of government securities, G-Secs, worth rupees 1 lakh crore to address liquidity conditions. The purchase will be carried out in two tranches, rupees 50,000 crore on 12th March 2025 and the remaining rupees 50,000 crore on 18th March 2025. The RBI stated it will continue to monitor liquidity and market conditions and take necessary steps to maintain orderly liquidity in the financial system. Now let's discuss about what are the government securities. The government securities, commonly referred to as G-Secs, are tradable debt instruments issued by the central government, state governments in India. It acknowledges the government's debt obligation. In India, the central government issues both treasury bills and bonds or dated securities, while state governments issue only bonds or dated securities, which are called the State Development Loans, SDLS. G-Secs carry practically no risk of default, hence are called risk-free gilt-edged instruments. These securities are crucial for financing government activities, managing fiscal deficits, and providing a secure investment option for various stakeholders. Now let's talk about types of government securities. So first, we are going to discuss about the treasury bills, in short, T-bills. Treasury bills are short-term securities with maturities of less than 1 year, typically issued in tenure of 91, 182 and 364 days. T-bills are issued at a discount to their face value and you receive the full face value upon maturity. Dated government securities. Dated government securities, commonly referred to as government bonds, have longer maturities ranging from 5 to 40 years. These securities are suitable for long-term investors seeking regular income. Cash management bills, CMBs. Cash management bills are short-term instruments similar to treasury bills but with shorter maturities, often less than 91 days. They are used to meet temporary cash flow mismatches in government finances. State development loans. State development loans are issued by the state governments to fund their development projects. SDLs are similar to dated government securities but are issued by individual states rather than the central government. Now lastly, moving on to the significance of G-Secs. Backed by the sovereign guarantee, G-Secs are considered safe, making them attractive to conservative investors. RBI utilizes G-Secs in open market operation to regulate money supply and control inflation. Yields on G-Secs serve as benchmarks for determining interest rates on various financial instruments. Investors diversify portfolios by including G-Secs, balancing risk and return. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statement about government securities, G-Secs. Government securities, G-Secs, are considered risk-free gilt-edged instrument due to the sovereign guarantee backing them. The state governments issue both treasury bills and state development loans. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Kindly answer this into the comment section. Thank you for your time.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.